super
Man, that does look super clean. Dude, I dig that a lot. So Weeds Garage just did an awesome job. So look them up on YouTube. Sick, man. Awesome matte black. And then clear white. Freaking rad, man. Freaking rad. Then maybe we'll even get the diff mount all white after we get it all welded up and everything. They're rolling on that Batmobile so much, man. Sean hasn't even gotten a break yet.
Yeah, I feel almost obligated to do this if you want it done, because it just goes along with those other pieces, dude. It will look so clean, and I have no problem doing that for you.
Yeah, with the white, man. Yeah.
That's why I ordered some more whiting, so I'll order some tonight. It'll come here. It'll be here like Tuesday. And then I know you're gonna be a couple days. I know you're moving.
Yeah, I mean like Tuesday. I think Tuesday they'll probably be getting ready to head out, and Sean should get a break to weld this for me. So yeah.
Cool. Yeah, you just let me know when you're ready.
Yep, that's awesome. So what's up, guys? So as you can see, I got the valve cover all off, so I'm so stoked. Can't wait to show you guys this thing. So take this valve cover off so I can get on the fresh new one, man. It's gonna be sick.
Gasket in, the important ones.
Yeah.
I hate it when those leak.
They suck.
It sucks when those things leak.
And Gordon's Honda doesn't start.
Yeah. Nice. Looks good.
Definitely brings back memories. Good, man.
Dude, I dig it. I dig it. What do you think, man?
I think it's sick.
Think it's legendary? Hell yeah. That's what's up.
Alright, Shane just put these cool adapters on here to give room for the axle. Now his coilover's out of the way. Just looking for a piece to put this one back on, but yeah, those things are a sick piece. They also got powder coated. It's tight. I really dig it. Tight.
I guess the socket here a little bit.
Have it tightened down. This one tightened down. Nice.
Awesome. I'll just tighten up these top pieces.
What do you think, Fawn?
I think it's good.
It's tight, huh?
It is black. I love it.
Nice. It's all tightened down now. Cool. Everything's all tightened up. That's a sick view, huh?
Dude, that's too sick. Look how nice, clear white that is. Woo! It's gonna be epic when the diff mount and all this underneath here looks like that. So it does need a top hole here, so I have everything centered out so I can just punch that through. Hopefully that works out well. So pretty much all weekend we just cleaned back at the back shop at the house. Just cleaned. Really did a lot of cleaning. We put an engine together, we did the timing, but we didn't film it. You know, I was at home doing my thing, cleaning. My buddy was helping cleaning, you know, and we were doing our thing. So we got a super sick valve cover for the CRX now. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and go check out all the other videos. And this is GoofyBuilt. Peace out.
You gotta get all the snow off, bro.